Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways to back up all of your WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. Now open up the WhatsApp app if you haven't already and tap on the U button at the bottom right. After you've done that, we can back up everything just by scrolling down, and we're going to choose chats here right under privacy. And now after you've done that, you can see chat backup. Let's just tap on that and you can see an auto backup. This is what I would highly recommend turning on. So we can tap on it. You can set this to daily, weekly, monthly, and I wouldn't recommend off, but you can choose to do so. And you want to make sure include videos is turned on. If you want to be able to manually back it up within WhatsApp, just tap on backup now and it will go through that process. However, this is within WhatsApp. Let's say you wanted to back it up other places as well. You can see within WhatsApp, let's go back and we can choose to export the chat. So instead of a chat backup, let's hit export and tap on a conversation. Let's choose attach with media and you'll be able to see I can save this as a zip file. I can choose to airdrop it or email it or save it to the Files app on my phone. Essentially, this creates a backup apart from WhatsApp if you wanted all of that information to be stored somewhere safe and secure. Now, those are the 2 different options within WhatsApp. Let's hop out of here and open up the settings to go through that 3rd option. You can have your iPhone just automatically back everything up through the iCloud. So let's tap on your name at the very top. And now from here, you can see midway down is iCloud. Let's just tap on iCloud. And now you can see Save to iCloud. Let's hit where it says See All right next to it. And now let's scroll down towards the bottom here. You should be able to see WhatsApp. There it is. If that is toggled off, it won't back up everything to the iCloud. So just turn it on. And now in real time, as you send and receive messages, it'll all be backed up to your iCloud. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and I'll catch you on the next one.